This shoe is the definition of catch me if you can. Almost impossible to get, but with the God I serve, I didn't only get one, I got two, child. Period. I know that's right.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas call me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. In a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I go by the name of Zoe Ldn, Zoe Ldn, and on my channel I do a bit of everything from vlogs to hauls to unboxings to everything. I do it all. So if you're new here and you'd like to join the family, hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. So in today's video I am back with another unboxing. Let me just get my boxes. So I am unboxing or showing you guys and reviewing two New Balance trainers, 327s. I've kind of worn one already because I was very impatient, but we're going to get into this video. So yeah, let's do it. Okay guys, let's get into the first pair. So okay, these are the ones I haven't worn. So I picked this up in black, white and grey. I believe I got these in a size 7. Yeah, I ordered these from Zoe Ldn, if that's how you pronounce the website. One thing about me guys, I'm gonna find a discount code. So I found a discount code and I got, I believe, 10% off. I got this pair for £81. I love the color, guys. I was seeing these trainers everywhere, but I actually didn't know the names. I just knew they were New Balances. So I went on TikTok, then I found that they were 327s, and I thought, you know what, I need a pair of these. I'm trying to up my trainer collection because I feel like I'm slacking at the moment. But yeah, I love this. This can be like your everyday shoe. I love the colorway, black, white and grey. It goes with almost anything and everything. And yeah, this is them, guys. I'm actually in love with them. I love this bit. I love the arch. It's the arch for me. These are extremely, guys, when I say comfortable, yeah, I need you guys to understand how comfortable. I am going to be trying these on. They've also come with like insoles that you can take in and out. So okay, comes with these insoles, and I feel like this even adds more comfort to the trainers. Like, guys, these are just trainers that you need them. Like, you actually need them in your collection. Like, you actually can't go wrong with these.
I never know, but I know about you. For your love, I go kill him for you. Hey. They can try once, I'll come try twice. But I know for your love, I go shoot him and die. Get up, I'ma stand up for your love. Pass me your love, make I enter the place with this time, where they go.
Let's get into the quality of this shoe.
I never know, but I know about you. For your love, I go kill him for you. Hey. They can try once, I'll come try twice. But I know for your love, I go shoot him and die. My love tomorrow, you know go change, forever follow. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. My love today, my love tomorrow, you know go change.
One thing about me, when I like something, I'm actually going to get it in another colour. So I'm also going to show you the second pair that I picked up. No, but can we appreciate this, guys? I wore these out as soon as I got them, by the way, and I never do that, but okay. let's get into these. These are gorgeous. I love guys, for me to get this color, yeah, you need to understand that it's serious, because I actually do not wear things this bright. I don't really like bright colored things, but I needed these. I actually did. So I got these in a size 7 as well, and I believe these were, I think these ones were £89, and I think they were 89 because of the colorway. I also got these from Zoe Ldn as well. I wore these when I went to my dentist appointment, and these are extremely comfortable, like really comfortable. They look cute on my feet. I felt very cute when I was wearing these. Let me double check that these are 89. It's 89.99, so £90 these are. These pair were £90, other ones were 81. And I'm really happy with what I picked out. I also love the back that it comes. I feel like it's got a lot of grip. Like if we look at the bottom of the shoe, like there's actually a lot of grip on it. And I love the fact that it comes all the way to the back. Like I love that about this shoe. So yeah, I am going to be trying these trainers on for you.
Got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Maybe got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Heard you got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so. Guys, I actually love this color. I love the suede. I love how all the colors, the indigo, it all complements one another. Like, it's just a gorgeous shoe. But don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you this. I just wore it with black leggings and like a grey sweater. And I haven't worn these yet, but like I said, these go with anything and everything. You can wear it with your tracksuits, your leggings. I feel like this will even look cute with like a bodycon dress. Like you can actually kind of dress it up. You can wear it out, and you can wear it on like errands and whatnot. Like I said, it comes with a lot of grip as you're walking, and it's very comfortable to walk in. Like the insoles, excuse my lisp guys, my Invisalign, but the insoles are 10 out of 10. I feel like that gives you that extra comfort and that extra spring when you're walking. With these ones, guys, it also has NB on the tongue, just written over there. These shoes are extremely popular right now. Like the colors I even wanted, I really wanted the oatmeal ones. I looked on ASOS, I looked all over, couldn't find it in my size, couldn't even find it, they were just completely sold out. So I settled for this color. But this shoe is the definition of catch me if you can. Almost impossible to get, but with the God I serve, I didn't only get one, I got two, child. Period. I know that's right. So yeah, it really is the comfortability for me, and I feel like these shoes are extremely comfortable. Is New Balance making a comeback? They didn't go anywhere. I feel like I got my first pair of New Balance like year 12, secondary school or first year of college, I believe, and I love them. I still have them. They're still downstairs somewhere. But honestly, guys, these just might be my favorite trainers right now. I can't wait to get these in different colorways and build my collection. But yeah, this has just been my quick review of these New Balance 327s.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If I didn't answer some questions that you may have, please comment down below and I will answer your questions if I have the answers. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys in my next video.